Hi guys, it's Tony here. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing of the toast-proof smoke alarm by Fire Angel. Alright, so this model is the st-622q. Alright, so there's the smoke alarm on the back. It's got Thermatech technology, sleep easy function, 10-year sealed lithium battery, 10-year guarantee. So that's the back of it. Now this won't work without the base plate being attached, so I'll have a look at that now. So yeah, so that's it. Just a quick look at that one. Just a quick, wait for it to finish. Yeah, so that's a quick look at that one. st-622, and I'm going to do a fitting of this as well. I'll show you what it looks like when it's fitted up. Thanks guys for watching, catch you later.